subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has launched the successor of the last year launched Poco C3 smartphone in India called Poco C31 with a dual-tone red design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Poco C31 features a 6.53-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. At the back, it has a triple camera setup in a squarish model at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Poco C31 comes powered by MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a large 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with MIUI 12 skin on top, and additionally, it also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.9 by 77.1 by 9mm, and it weighs around 194 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Poco C31 has been priced in India for 3GB plus 32GB storage variant at 8,499 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 9,499 Indian rupees, and it will be available at a discount of 500 rupees for a limited period of time. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from October 3rd in shadow grey and royal blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Poco C31 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.